Hi, everybody. Let's talk about January's new moon on January 19th, 2026. And I have a diagram of the sky on that day, and we have a lot of planets in Capricorn. So over here, you can see that we have the moon, Venus, Sun, Mercury, and Mars all in Capricorn on the same day as the new moon. So we have a lot of Capricorn energy. And as you know, when the whatever sign the sun is in on the new moon is the current lesson cycle that we're all going through. So right now we're all experiencing a Capricorn lesson cycle. And Capricorn is the planet of, or the, sorry, it's not the planet, the sign of our dharma. It's our responsibility. And it's really more about like our duty. And so when we're learning a Capricorn lesson, we're learning to show up even when we don't want to, because it is our dharma or our purpose. And we do it because that's what we're meant to do. And so Mars is also exalted here. And this is where Mars energy doesn't get lost in the drama and can really focus. And a lot of the times in life, we're relying on motivation to get things done. But the problem with motivation is it's not always consistent. And we want Mars energy to be willing to like do the hard work even when we don't feel like it. So Mars energy is the energy that we have when we get up in the morning and we decide to meditate. Like that's Mars energy. And the problem with Mars energy is that sometimes we wake up in the morning and we're like, I'm just going to stay in bed and I don't feel like meditating. And so that's problematic when we're trying to do something every day. And when Mars goes into Capricorn, this is where Mars will do the thing even when he doesn't feel like it. So this is a really good time to start working on something that you feel like is part of your dharma or duty. And um, with it also being the new moon, it's a good time to start something. And you're going to start as the days go on, you'll start building momentum towards this thing. And with all that Capricorn energy and just like taking one step in front of the other, you're going to actually feel like you've made progress. So, pick something that's very dharmic for you and that you're very passionate about so that you will be able to utilize the energy around you to really take big steps towards that goal right now. And I would love to know how you are going to align with this new moon, or if you know what house this new moon is happening in your chart and how you plan to align with that energy even deeper. And if you learned something in this video, please hit the like button, and I'll see you later.